Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Civic for complete suspension work at the moment at Jeepzone, Bangalore. You can just have a look at the vehicle. So right now we have procured all the new parts, and you can just check out the tie rod, lower arm, everything has been replaced, and all the sides brand new suspension parts have been installed on this. We are using a brand new Hella brake pads in this, and this is the air filter from Zip we are using, and these are the link rods, lower arm guards. All these are available. Brand new parts have been installed on the vehicle at the moment, and we are using 5w30 Eneos fully synthetic engine oil in this, and this is a Hella automatic transmission oil which is going to be installed on automatic gearbox, and this is the ball joint which is installed both the sides, and these are the old parts which are being removed, and this is the old oil filter which has been replaced with a brand new Hella filter. And right now the disc is given for facing at the moment. So we have a rear disc coming in Civic in this version at the moment. We have checked the brake pads, everything is fine. For any kinds of Honda cars, petrol, Suzuki, Maruti Suzuki, or any kinds of brand, we are multi-brand workshop. We are based in Bangalore. For any petrol and diesel cars, you can contact us, and you can just check out this is a Thar which is come for complete service and suspension work at the moment. We have removed all the parts at the moment, and all the parts will be replaced. Air filter, engine oil, gearbox oil, coolant, front and back differential oil is going to be replaced. For any kinds of queries, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, so please like and subscribe our channel. For more details, contact us on our WhatsApp number or call us directly for any kinds of appointments or any kinds of sales related issues or service related issues or modification. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.